What's going on, everybody? Welcome back here to the channel. We've got a major crypto news alert. What is next for Bitcoin? What is next for Ethereum? What's happening in the overall market? We've got a big week ahead as we close out this week, as Ethereum ETFs are set to go live potentially on Tuesday. At least that's the rumor coming from Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas. Of course, BlackRock and company all ready to go, have everything filed, and an Ethereum ETF could hit the market by Tuesday of next week. We're taking a look at the chart of XRP. That's been pumping a little bit here the last 2 weeks. But if we head over to the Ethereum chart, we can see here we've been hovering right around 3,500 last 2 weeks, bouncing up. I think people are getting prepared, and we're seeing that shift of capital a little bit over from Bitcoin into altcoins, just a little bit, not a ton yet, but I do think this shift could be proliferated as more and more people will come into the Ethereum ETF. Remember, when the Bitcoin ETF went live, we saw billions of dollars come in the first couple months, blowing expectations out of the water, right? Now, will the same demand be there for Ethereum? We shall see. It is early on. Remember, this isn't a catalyst that kind of hits and fades. This is a catalyst that's kind of a slow drip over time, more and more people gaining interest. We are up 49% year to date. If we take a look at some of the technicals, strong buy across basically every moving average. The only thing we're waiting for is to get back above the SMA 50, or the 50-day simple moving average, sitting there right at the 3438. We're basically right on the cusp of that right now. Other than that, every other moving average flashing a buy signal, and overall just we've been in an uptrend really since October of 2023. If you guys look down here, this is really when the market started to rip. These are weekly candles here on Ethereum. So if you go back to October of last year, ETH is up 105% since October 16th of last year. This is really where the market flipped to the opposite side. Now, if we take a look at some of the top gainers in the altcoin market, we do have Mantle, BitTensor, Tau, Solana, Toncoin, and Bonk all up here. Solana's looking really good. Really good. If we take a look at the Sol chart, showing a ton of strength right now. Sol on the weekly, if we take a look here, this thing is up 485% just since July of last year. Crazy move here to the upside for Solana. Back up over $160, which super impressive. All buys across the board on the moving averages. We were waiting to get back up above some of those smaller time frames, like the 10-day, 20-day. We've blown those out of the water here the last 48 hours, well above it into the 160 range, sitting at 163. I'll tell you what, I've just been loading up on Solana through the whole Solana meme coin space, right? As soon as I'm making profits over there, I'm just stacking Sol. I think it looks really strong. Keep in mind, already people filing for Solana ETFs. So those are already surfacing. After an Ethereum ETF, I think Solana's next. Why not start accumulating now before people really start to FOMO in? But coming back to Ethereum, Tuesday is our target date, Tuesday. Now, we heard, before July 2nd, July 4th, those dates were kind of moving targets. July 23rd is being talked about by a lot of people, and we basically know how close we are with the S1 filings, basically just crossing T's, dotting I's. So we could be getting an Ethereum ETF next week in this type of environment where the market is, propped back up, coming back up from $55,000 Bitcoin, right now sitting at $64,000. The timing could be aligning perfectly right now to really get a nice altcoin run. That's what we've been waiting for. We've been waiting for that rotation of capital. Bitcoin has driven this market because of institutional demand through the ETFs. There's no doubt about it. We're waiting for retail money to come back. Slowly but surely, I think, we're looking at potential rate cuts happening in September. More and more people maybe getting a little bit more loose change in their pockets. People are suffering still from inflation. There's no doubt about it. And eventually, when we go risk on, things are going to break for us. Ethereum ETFs will be live. That'll be met with institutional demand. That's why I think we're still so early within this cycle, guys. Now, a couple major altcoins I'm watching, guys. Shinja, Shibnobi on base, is back. Look at this, 469K market cap, guys. Take a look at this one. These are some small caps, a couple other larger caps too. This one on the base chain looks really solid. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to check into that one. It's one that I invested in right around a 10K market cap, put it out there publicly. all over X. So hopefully you guys aped into that one and did some damage. How about Ponky on Solana? $380 million market cap, setting all-time highs again today. That one is absolutely crushing it. It has been for a really, really long time. And then this one finally curling up. We got Zeus back up to a $51 million market cap. Really good utility-based project that has been on the up and up since July 8th. This also built on Solana, but also the Bitcoin blockchain. I'm waiting for this one to get back up over $1. I think this is a really interesting play. This is Zeus on Sol. So just a couple things for you guys. Appreciate you guys for watching the video. Those are my thoughts right now on the overall market. Don't forget to smash the like button down there. Subscribe if you have not already. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you guys in the next one.